Hello guys! I have made these really cute stickers for my laptop and I will show you how. Chalo, let's quickly get started with the video then. Here I am using really basic white paper, some color pencils, a pencil for our rough sketch and a marker. Getting started with our first sketch, here I am planning to draw a cute Ganesha. I am firstly drawing a rough sketch. You know what guys, I really wanted something very unique for my stickers and I also wanted them to be very Indian. So I thought, why not make stickers of our Indian gods and make them really cute and look very simple? And here I am with these stickers and let me know if you guys like it. So we are almost done with the rough sketch and this is how it looks like. I'm quickly getting started with the coloring. Here I'm using orange for skin color. When you're working with color pencils, it's always recommended to give really light strokes initially and build on top of it later. Once our base layer is complete, here I'm adding some shadows and creating some depth. I'm following the same procedure throughout the sketch. Building a base layer with light color and then on top of that I'll be adding shadows and highlights. After the coloring is complete, I am adding highlights with a marker. Here I am using brushstroke pens. You can also use microns. If you don't have both of them, don't worry. You can also use gel pen or ballpoint pen. We are done with the sketching part guys. Now the only step that's left is making it into a sticker. For that, we first need to laminate our artwork as shown here. Watch this carefully guys. Here I am applying tape on both sides of the artwork. You need to be very careful during this step. Make sure there are no foldings to the tape while applying. Otherwise it can give a very bad look to the artwork. Make sure to also remove any trapped air bubble. Once the tape is applied on both sides, cut the art piece along the edges. Be careful, do not cut the original art piece. Yes guys, we are almost done with our first sticker. Yes, I agree, this is not a sticker yet. We'll see how to convert it into a sticker at the end. Moving on guys, this is our second sticker and here I am making rough sketch of a cute Lord Shiva. One quick tip for all of you. If you want to make anything cute, then make sure you're drawing it in terms of a circle. For example, if you want to draw a cute face, make sure you're making it more rounded. And also it's always better to avoid sharp edges. Since I wanted to create a very cute character, here I chose to draw everything more rounded. Be it the face, hands or the legs, everything is more rounded. I'm following the same procedure that I had mentioned in our first sticker. Create a base layer, add shadows and then the highlights. We are also almost done with our second piece guys. I will just laminate this and keep it aside and we will see how to convert them into a sticker at the end. We are on our last and final piece guys. Here I am planning to make Ma Parvati sticker. Yes, you guessed it right. I wanted this to be family of Lord Shiva. I will very quickly finish the sketching part and move on to the coloring part. I'm coloring using the same procedures that I had mentioned during making of the last two stickers. we are also done with our final piece, guys. This is my most favorite piece among all of these three. Let me know in the comments what you like the most. But it's not over yet. To convert these into stickers, you need to stick a piece of tape onto a polythene sheet, put your art piece on top of it, and above these two, stick another piece of tape. Again, be very careful while doing this. Make sure there are no folds and there is no trapped air. Now remove all these three layers together. Now all you have is a sticky bottom. Cut along the edges by leaving some space as shown here, because only then your topmost tape and the bottommost tape will stick together and will make your artwork stay in place. So yes, this is it, guys. We've successfully made our first sticker, and see how it beautifully sticks onto any surface. You can stick it onto books or laptop or your gadgets or anything. If you think making this sticker is a lot of procedure, then you can also use double tape and it easily sticks in. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. If you really like this video, don't forget to leave a like. Thank you. Bye bye.